Selecting a right stock for intraday trading is very important. If you're able to select a correct and a right stock for intraday trading, then you're able to make good profit in intraday trading. So in this video, I'll be telling you few of the tricks and tips which will help you to pick a good stocks for intraday trading. Starting with number 1 point, stock beta. So make sure you check stock beta for whatever stock you select, and before you trade, make sure you see the stock beta. You can see the stock beta in Zerodha by going to the fundamentals. Okay, so whichever stock you select, just go to the more option. Okay, so let me show you how to open it again. So whatever stock you select, just go near more option, and once you select more option, go near fundamentals. So once you go near fundamentals, you can see this B letter. Okay, so this denotes beta of the stock. So always select the stock which is having beta above value 1. So here, as you can see, 1.68 is a beta value of the Vedanta stocks. Okay, so I'm just showing you for the example. So you can pick a stock which is having the beta value above 1 point. So what's the advantage of this? The advantage of the stock which are having above beta 1 is you will get a good movement for doing an intraday trading, and not only the good movement, the order execution will be smoother. Okay, so I've observed this many times. So when you keep the orders, let's say you're keeping a bracket order or SL order or any kind of a order, so if you pick a stock above beta value being 1, okay, so the order execution will be done good. Okay, so it will not be in a pending, so the order execution will be done smoothly. So before I continue with the other tips, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get all the updates from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And also, if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. Once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also, I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so coming to the next point, do not pick the stocks which are having event. Okay, so a lot of the times you can see, for example, I'm showing you, so this is indices, but in Zerodha, if you add some of the stocks to your watch list, you can see stocks in news. Okay, so those will be denoted by saying event. Okay, so avoid that stocks for the intraday trading on that particular day. Okay, so event means there will be some news on the stock or some announcement done by the stock company. So at that time there will be a lot of volatile or a lot of fluctuation happening on that particular stock. So it's better if you avoid that kind of stocks which are in the news or which are in the event. Okay, so this is the thing what you need to keep in your head. And coming to the next point, always pick the stock above value 150 rupees or at least above 100 rupees. Why means in the stocks which are above 150 rupees or above 100 rupees, they will give a good movement where you can achieve 0.5 to 1% of your target when you're doing intraday trading. But if you pick a stock which are very less priced, there will be no movement at all on some days. Okay, so I'm just showing you example. Okay, so if you pick a stock which are below 100 rupees, you can't find any movement and you can't implement any kind of your strategies if you place like that. And also there will be high volume where sometimes your order will not even get executed for the day. But if you pick a stock above 100 rupees or above 150 rupees, they will give you good movement. There will be a movement in the stock where you can get your opportunity to trade, to enter the trade and to book a profit. So make sure you keep this thing in your head. So always pick a stock above 100 or above 150 rupees so that you'll get a good opportunity to trade. Okay, and always pick a stock from Nifty 50. So the stock which you pick from Nifty 50 will always give a good movement. Okay, so these are the stocks which are like, which I said to like above 100 or 100 and 150 rupees, and those are the stocks which will give you good movement to make your entry and your exit in the stock. So if you don't find the movement in the stock, then you can't make a trade in intraday trading. And one more thing, keeping volume in your mind is very important. So whatever stock you pick, make sure you see the volume of the stock. So volume can be seen in the market depth. Okay, so make sure you see the volume of the stock. So if the stock is having a very good volumes, then that stock will perform good on that particular day. Okay, so every time the stock won't get the same kind of volume. Okay, so today one stock may get good volume and tomorrow the same stock will not get the same kind of volume. So volume depends on every single day. Okay, so check the market depth. So whatever stock you select to trade, before you place your order, just check the market depth and see how the volume is, what's the previous close, so that you'll come to know what's happening briefly on the stock. And coming to the market depth, so make sure you see the total number of buyers and sellers before you place a trade, and select a stock which is having a difference of almost 1 or 2 lakhs difference between the buyers and the sellers, because that will briefly tell you which side the stock might go. Okay, so according to that, compare the market trend also. So just see where the Nifty 50 is going. Okay, for the time when you pick a stock, see Nifty 50 at what side it is going, whether the trend is up, whether the trend is down. And if the market is up, if the buyers are more in the selected stock, that means the stock is about to go up because the market is also up and the stock's buyers are also more. So it is kind of a support. Okay, it doesn't mean it will always go up or it will always come down. That means it is supporting to the stock, and it is supporting to the stock trend and supporting to the market trend also. So if the trends are matching like this, then you may think that you have picked a correct stock for trading. Okay, see, these are the little tips and tricks which you need to keep in your mind. Okay, and whatever trades you take, make sure you follow the discipline. So the following discipline in intraday trading is very important. Okay, so you should always keep your target and stop losses. Okay, maintain good amount of risk reward ratio, that is 1:2 risk reward ratio. So if you are maintaining a good risk reward ratio, and if you are following all these things and the disciplines in intraday trading, then only you can make good amount of profit in intraday trading. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market and if you're having losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in intraday trading, and also if you want to recover your losses, you can join my course. Once you join my course, I'll be teaching you all these things in depth, like how to pick a proper and correct stock for the day, and 90 to 95% accuracy strategies. Okay, and where to make a proper entry and where to make a proper exit, and what is the profit you can make, and just with a minimum of 5 to 10,000 capital you can make 1,000 rupees profit per day. So all these things I'll be teaching you in depth once you join my course. So to join my course, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.